Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Iraqi Dinar reshape Iraq's economic evolution, gold reserves, banking growth, and dinar speculation. Iraq's financial and economic landscape is evolving rapidly with notable developments in gold reserves, banking sector efficiency, and discussions around the Iraqi dinar's potential revaluation. As the country works to diversify its economy beyond oil dependency, new policies and strategic investments are shaping its financial future. This article provides a comprehensive overview of Iraq's latest financial shifts, including central bank activities, gold acquisitions, and economic diversification efforts, gold's rising value, and Iraq's strategic investments. Recent projections from financial experts, including Goldman Sachs, suggest that gold prices may increase by another 8% in 2025, potentially reaching $3,100 per ounce. This rise is driven by central banks worldwide, increasing their gold reserves to hedge against economic uncertainties. Iraq has joined this trend, adding 20 tons of gold to its reserves in 2024. This move is a significant step for Iraq's financial strategy. Historically, Iraq's economy has been heavily reliant on oil exports, making it vulnerable to price fluctuations. By increasing its gold reserves, Iraq is working to stabilize its financial standing and create a more diversified economic foundation. Gold serves as a reliable store of value, offering protection against currency depreciation and inflation. The decision to expand gold holdings aligns with a broader trend among central banks worldwide, as they seek to reduce reliance on fiat currencies and enhance asset security. Iraq's central bank has demonstrated a strong commitment to strengthening national financial reserves, and this latest acquisition signals its intent to safeguard the country's economic future. Iraqi dinar, revaluation, speculation, and developments. One of the most discussed topics among investors and financial analysts is the potential revaluation, RV, of the Iraqi dinar. While speculation surrounding the dinar's appreciation has been ongoing for years, recent reports from sources such as Guru Wolverine claim that former U.S. President Donald Trump has given his approval for a long-anticipated revaluation. What makes this claim particularly interesting is that multiple, unrelated sources have reportedly confirmed similar information. While no official statement has been issued by the Iraqi government or the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, the growing discussions about Iraq's economic transformation fuel optimism among investors. A revaluation of the dinar would have significant economic implications. If Iraq successfully strengthens its financial institutions, diversifies its economy, and increases foreign investment, the dinar could see substantial appreciation. However, currency valuation is influenced by numerous factors, including global economic trends, oil prices, and political stability. For now, the Iraqi government's focus remains on reinforcing economic stability rather than announcing a sudden currency revaluation. Nonetheless, the increasing global interest in Iraq's financial progress suggests that the dinar's future remains an area worth monitoring. Economic diversification, a crucial shift away from oil dependence. For decades, Iraq's economy has been overwhelmingly dependent on oil revenues, making it highly susceptible to price fluctuations. The sharp declines in oil prices in 2009 and 2020 had severe economic consequences, underscoring the need for diversification. Recent reports from the International Monetary Fund, IMF, project a 3.5% growth rate for Iraq's non-oil economy in 2025. This forecast is significant as it reflects an increasing focus on alternative revenue sources such as agriculture, manufacturing, and mineral extraction. Iraq's agricultural sector has strong potential for growth, with fertile land and access to the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. However, challenges such as outdated infrastructure, inefficient irrigation systems, and water scarcity must be addressed to maximize agricultural output. By investing in modern farming techniques and water management systems, Iraq could boost domestic food production and reduce reliance on imports. The manufacturing sector also holds promise, particularly in industries such as construction materials, textiles, and petrochemicals. Encouraging local production and reducing dependency on foreign imports would contribute to job creation and economic stability. Iraq's untapped mineral wealth beyond oil. Iraq possesses vast untapped mineral resources, including gold, silver, titanium, platinum, and natural gas. According to Guru Sudani, the government is now issuing permits for mineral extraction, marking a significant step toward unlocking Iraq's resource potential. Proper management and development of these resources could transform Iraq into an economic powerhouse, establishing a transparent regulatory framework and attracting foreign investment will be crucial to ensuring that Iraq maximizes its mineral wealth efficiently. Investing in mining infrastructure and refining capabilities will also enable Iraq to export valuable minerals, further diversifying its revenue streams. If executed strategically, this initiative could play a pivotal role in Iraq's long-term economic sustainability, banking sector improvements, and financial stability. Iraq's banking sector has seen notable improvements, particularly in liquidity management and credit issuance. The ratio of cash credit to deposits in Iraqi banks has increased from 51.9% in the fourth quarter of 2023 to 59.3% in the same period of 2024. This figure indicates that banks are becoming more effective at utilizing deposits to generate profits through loans and credit issuance. A healthy banking system is essential for economic growth, as it facilitates investment, business expansion, and consumer spending. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, has been working to enhance the efficiency of financial institutions, aiming for an optimal liquidity benchmark of 75%. Several factors have contributed to this banking improvement. 1. Monetary policy adjustments. The CBI has introduced new policies to encourage lending and improve financial sector stability. 2. Interest rate changes. Fluctuations in global interest rates have influenced borrowing and lending behaviors within Iraq's banking sector. 3. Digital banking expansion. Increased access to digital financial services has facilitated greater banking participation among Iraqi citizens. While progress has been made, challenges remain. Iraq's banking sector must continue working toward full compliance with international financial standards and increasing public trust in banking institutions. Many Iraqis still rely on cash transactions, highlighting the need for further financial literacy initiatives and banking accessibility improvements. The role of global economic trends in Iraq's financial future. Iraq's economic trajectory is influenced by multiple global factors, including oil price fluctuations, central bank policies, and geopolitical developments. As the country continues to integrate into the global financial system, Maintaining economic stability will require careful navigation of these external influences. Key global trends impacting Iraq's economy include oil market volatility. Although Iraq is diversifying its economy, oil remains a crucial revenue source. Any significant price swings will have direct fiscal implications. U.S. dollar strength and inflation. The strength of the U.S. dollar and global inflation rates impact Iraq's purchasing power and trade balance. Foreign investment climate. Iraq's ability to attract foreign investment depends on regulatory transparency, political stability, and infrastructure improvements. Conclusion: a promising but cautious outlook for Iraq. Iraq is making meaningful strides toward economic diversification and financial stability. The government's decision to increase gold reserves, expand the banking sector, and issue mineral extraction permits demonstrates a commitment to long-term economic resilience. While speculation about the Iraqi dinar's revaluation remains a topic of interest, Iraq's primary focus is on strengthening its economic fundamentals. By reducing its reliance on oil, enhancing banking efficiency, and leveraging its vast natural resources, Iraq is positioning itself for sustainable growth. For investors and financial analysts, Iraq presents both opportunities and risks. The potential for economic expansion is undeniable. But geopolitical stability, regulatory reforms, and global financial trends will all play a role in shaping the country's financial future. As Iraq continues on this path of economic transformation, staying informed about these developments will be crucial for anyone interested in the region's financial prospects. Whether through gold investments, banking sector improvements, or strategic resource management, Iraq's journey toward economic sustainability is unfolding with cautious optimism. What's your perspective? Are you optimistic about Iraq's economic future? Do you believe the Iraqi dinar will experience a significant revaluation? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates on Iraq's financial landscape. And don't forget to follow for the latest news on the country's economic transformation